These cinematic storyboard videos are pulling millions of views on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts right now, and the niche is still early enough that you can build a following fast. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact workflow. And here's what makes ours different. Instead of a random character, we're going to use our own AI avatar as the storyboard subject, which means the result looks and feels completely personal, and it builds your brand at the same time. Okay, step 1. Open ChatGPT. Next, open the Google Doc and copy the entire master storyboard prompt that's already prepared for you. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT and press enter. The GPT will first ask you to upload your avatar reference image. Go ahead and upload your character image. This is what tells ChatGPT exactly what your main character looks like, so it can keep that same character consistent throughout the entire storyboard. Next, the GPT will ask you to choose the visual style for your story. You can choose from styles like 3D animated, Pixar-inspired, Disney-inspired, semi-realistic, realistic, and more. For today's demo, I'm choosing 3D animated, Pixar-inspired. That's it. Click send. Now watch what happens. ChatGPT instantly generates 15 unique story ideas. Take a moment to go through them and simply choose the one that interests you the most. Once you've made your selection, ChatGPT generates 2 complete storyboard versions. Version 1 gives you a complete storyboard designed for short-form content. It includes all the image prompts needed to generate your storyboard, along with a universal video prompt. This version is perfect for creating 10 to 15-second shorts, reels, or TikTok videos. Version 2 generates a fully detailed cinematic storyboard. Every scene comes with its own image prompt and matching video prompt, giving you everything you need to create longer, more cinematic videos with multiple scenes. And that's it. All you did was upload 1 character image and paste 1 master prompt. Your entire storyboard is finished and ready to go. Now copy everything, because in the next step we're moving into Flow AI to bring the storyboard to life. Step 2. Head over to Flow AI. Sign in with any Google account. Once you're inside, make sure you're in image mode first. We always generate the storyboard images before we animate them. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the version 1 storyboard image prompts for all of your scenes. Paste the prompts into Flow AI and click generate. In just a few moments, Flow AI creates all of your storyboard image and scene panels. Once your storyboard images are ready, switch over to video mode inside Flow AI. Upload the storyboard image you just generated as your reference image. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the version 1 universal video prompt that was generated specifically for your storyboard. Paste that prompt into Flow AI. Set the video duration to 10 seconds, then click generate. And just like that, your storyboard comes to life as a fully animated video. The best part is that you can repeat this same workflow for any story idea. Simply choose a different story in ChatGPT, copy the new storyboard image prompts, generate the images in Flow AI, then paste the matching universal video prompt into video mode and generate the animation. You can even queue multiple generations at the same time, making it easy to create several animated storyboards in one session. The master storyboard prompt, all 15 story ideas, and every image and video prompt used in this tutorial are available for free in the description below. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating more AI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.